Hi students, let us continue with chapter 16%. Okay, so in our previous class we had done till exercise 16b. So today let me start with a new topic to find increase or decrease in percent. To find increase or decrease in percent. So you have a formula for it, that is increase percent equal to increase in value by original value into 100. Similarly, decrease percent is equal to decrease in value by original value into 100. Okay, so let us use this formula in order to solve the problems. So let me start with exercise 16C. Let me come to the first question. The price of rice rises from rupees 30. That is, original value is given as rupees 30 to increase in value. It is not increased value, it is increase in value, equal to rupees 36. Find the percent rise in the price of rice. So we can write increase percent equal to increase in the value we need. Increased value is 36, right? So increase in value will be what? Increase in value will be equal to increased value minus the original, that is 36 minus 30 equal to rupees 6. So increase percentage is equal to increase in value 6 by original value is 30 into 100. So what do we get? 5. 5 goes how many times? 20 times. So increase percent is equal to 20%. Now coming to the second question. What's the second question? The population of a small locality was 4,000 in 1979. So original value was original population equal to 4,000. Increased population is 4,500 in 1981. So it is 4,500. By what percent had the population increased? So what is the increase in population in this year? So what is increase in population? Increase in population is equal to 4,500 minus 4,000, that is equal to 500. So increase percent equal to 500 by original population is 4,000 into 100. Cancel. So how many times? 2 times 25. So 25 by 2 is 12.5%. Hope it's clear. Now coming to the third question. Question number 3. The price of scooter was rupees 8,000. Original value is equal to rupees 8,000 in 1975. It came down to rupees 6,000 in 1980. Decreased value equal to rupees 6,000. By what percent had the price of the scooter came down? So decrease in value will be what? Decrease in value equal to 8,000 minus 6,000, that is equal to 2,000. So what can we write? Decrease percent. We can find the decrease percent. Decrease percent is equal to decrease in value, that is 2,000 by original value is how much? 8,000 into 100. So cancel. 4s are 100. So that is equal to 25% decrease it is. Earlier cases it was the increase, and this case it is decrease. Okay. Coming to the next question, fourth one. Find the resulting quantity when rupees 400 is decreased by 8%. Rupees 400 is decreased by 8%. How do we find out? So our original number equal to rupees 400, right? What is the decrease we need? Decrease is equal to 8% of 400, correct? So just find what is 8% of 400. 8 by 100 into 400, correct? So what do we get? Rupees 32. We get it as rupees 32. Now decreased value we need to find out. How will you find the decreased value? Original value, that is 400, minus decreased percent, that is 32, that is equal to 368. Rupees 368. Okay, hope it's clear. Now coming to the next one, it's the next sub question of it. Second sub question we have 25 kilometer is increased by 5%. So how can you find out 25 kilometer? So original is 25, right? So decreased by 5% of increased, it's not decreased, it's increased. Increased by 5% of 25. What is 5% of 25? 5 by 100 into 25. So cancelling, I get 4, sir. So it is 5 by 4. Okay. So increased by, right? Increased quantity will be equal to, increased quantity is equal to 25 plus 5 by 4, that is 100 plus 5 by 4, 105 by 4. What's 105 by 4? 2s are 8, 2, 5, 4 goes how many times? 4, 6 are 24. So you'll get it as 26 1 by 4 kilometer. 26 1 by 4 kilometer, or you can write this as 26.25 kilometer. Now coming to the third sub question, we have a speed 600 kilometer per hour is increased by 12 1 by 2%. So increased will be what? 12 1 by 2% of 600. How do I do it? 12 1 by 2 is 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. 25 by 2%, that is 25 by 2 into 100 of 600. Cancel. 2 goes 3 times. So you get 75. Okay. It is 75 kilometer per hour. It is increased by. So total what you get? 600 plus 75, that is equal to 675 kilometer per hour. Okay. Coming to the fourth sub question, there is 2.5% increase in the salary of 6 to 500. So let's do that. 2.5 by 100 into 62,500. So this, if I multiply, I'll get one of the 0 if I cancel. This point will become what? 25. 25 into 6250 by 100, right? So 4s are. Again 2 I can multiply. 2 goes how many times? 3, 1, 25. 3125 divided by 2. 1s are 2, 1 1, 5, 10, 1 12, 6, 5. How many times? 2s are 4, 1, 0. So we'll get it as 1562.5 rupees. Okay. So what do we need to find out? Increased salary. increased salary is equal to 62,500 plus 1,562.5. 5260146 rupees 64,062.5. Okay, hope it's clear to you all. Okay, now let me do the first number 5. First number 5, the population of village decreased by population decreased by 12%. Original population is given. Original population equal to 25,000. Find the population after decrease. Okay, so decrease in population equal to 12% of 25,000. It is 12 by 100 into 25,000. 25 into 12. So you'll get it as 300 you're getting. So 3,000. Decrease in population is 3,000. So population after decrease. Population after decrease will be equal to 25,000 minus 3,000, that is equal to 22,000. Okay, hope it's clear to you children. So with this we'll be ending with this chapter. You don't have to worry about other questions in this exercise. Okay, thank you students.